Hey guys, Hanif here and welcome to my Sync Leads review. Now, a little while ago, Facebook launched their lead ads feature inside of Facebook Ads Manager, and it's been a very successful feature that has been used by advertisers because it lets you build your list literally with a couple of clicks. So Facebook users don't even need to actually enter in their name and email. Facebook lets you capture their name and email by the user clicking just a couple of times. So that's been a very important feature and update for marketers. Sync leads, what it allows you to do is to grab those leads off of Facebook and then throw them into your autoresponder, into your webinar platform, or into your membership site all at the same time. So with the Facebook lead ads, the problem is that Facebook just gives you a downloadable list of names and email addresses. Then you have to download that list and then you have to upload it into your autoresponder. And let's say that you also want to subscribe these people to a webinar, then you have to, separately work with your webinar software. And let's say that you also want to add them to a membership site. Now you got to go in and do all of that manually. Sync Leads lets you do that with one click. The minute a Facebook user double clicks and subscribes, Sync Leads will automatically take that lead and push them to your autoresponder, sign them up to your webinar, and sign them up to your membership site as well. So that's really what Sync Leads is, or at least one part of Sync Leads. The other thing that Sync Leads lets you do is to post these Facebook native lead forms on your fan pages completely for free. So if you want users to come onto your fan page, double click, and then you want to capture their email and you want to push them to your autoresponder without having to pay for it, Sync Leads lets you do that too. Now, Sync Leads has three different portions. There's the main Sync Leads app, there's the double click leads app, and then there's also Opt-in Up. And I'm going to show you a very quick overview of all three. So first of all, we're now inside of the double click leads dashboard, and this is the app that you can use to post these Facebook native lead forms anywhere on your fan pages and groups without having to pay for it. So here what you're seeing is, you can pretty much put in your post, the lead URL, and then where you want that post to go. So you put in the text of your post, you put in your lead URL, which I'm going to show you in a second, and you simply choose the fan page where you want this post to go. And now your fan pages or your groups can display these native Facebook lead forms completely for free. So people can come on and double click on these posts, and you can automatically capture their names and email addresses without them even having to type their name and email. So it's an extremely quick and efficient way to grab these users off of Facebook and build your list with them without having to pay for it. So that's one of the amazing features of the Sync Leads platform. So you go ahead and you can easily create these posts using your lead URL. And now I just want to give you a quick overview of how to create that lead URL. So when you log into your Facebook Power Editor, and the Facebook Power Editor can be accessed from your Chrome browser after you've signed up for a Facebook Ads Manager account. So assuming that you have a Facebook account, you have the Ads Manager account, and now you are visiting Facebook Power Editor using your Chrome browser, the first step is going to be inside of the Facebook Power Editor to click on Create a New Campaign. Now, when you create a new campaign, the first step is going to be to choose your objective, which is going to be lead generation. So you're essentially just creating a lead generation campaign inside of the Power Editor. And then Facebook is going to ask you, do you already have a lead form or do you want to create a new form? So you simply click on Create a New Form, which will then take you to the next screen. And here you're going to just create your lead generation form in 3 steps. So you just name your form and choose a couple of other settings. And then after that, once your ad is created inside of the Power Editor, you can preview that ad and you'll get a URL. You'll get a URL which will be called your post's permalink. So after you create your lead form and create your ad, you'll get this URL, your post permalink, and you simply grab that link, and that is your lead URL that you can use inside of Sync Leads. And this URL that Facebook has given you is what Sync Leads will use to post your Facebook lead form on your fan pages, on your groups, completely for free without having to pay for it. So again, just to clarify, you're going to go inside of Power Editor, you're going to create an ad, and you're going to create a new lead form in 3 easy steps inside of your Facebook Ads Manager, and then get a URL for your post that Facebook is going to give you, but you don't have to pay for those ads. You can grab that URL and start pasting that URL with Sync Leads on your Facebook fan pages, on your Facebook groups, and now you don't have to pay for those lead ads anymore. Of course, you still have to drive traffic to your fan pages. Facebook isn't automatically going to send you traffic if you don't pay for it, but at least you have those lead forms on your fan pages, and people have the opportunity to visit your fan page and subscribe to your list or to your webinar or to your membership site literally by just double clicking on the sign up button that will be showed on your Facebook posts. All right, here now we're back to the Sync Leads, double click leads dashboard. And inside of the double click leads dashboard, here's how you use your lead URL to create posts on your fan pages. So again, you just put in the text of your post, you put in your lead URL, which I showed you how to create inside of the Facebook Power Editor and the Facebook Ads Manager, and then you simply choose one of your fan pages that you want to post to, and there you go. Your Facebook native lead forms are spread across your fan pages and your groups without having to pay anything for it, which is really, really cool. Okay, now I'm inside of my Sync Leads dashboard, and here's where you specify that when a person subscribes or clicks on one of your lead forms on Facebook, that you want to automatically add them to your autoresponder and to your webinar and to your membership site. So you do that inside of your Sync Leads dashboard, and with the external connection settings, here's where you go ahead and add your, integrate with Aweber and GetResponse or MailChimp, your GoToWebinar, and it's a very simple step-by-step process to integrate with whatever services you want. And now your Facebook lead forms, when somebody subscribes, they're automatically going to get pushed into your Aweber or into your GoToWebinar account automatically. And lastly, I just want to show you the upsell for Sync Leads, and this upgrade is called the Opt-in Up app, and this integrates with Sync Leads seamlessly. In this app, you're looking inside of my dashboard right now. This app lets you create competitions, lets you set up rewards, lets you set up surveys, and basically multiplies the value of your leads so that it encourages people to share your competition or your reward or your survey, and share it with their family and friends, with other colleagues in their industry or whatever the case may be, and help you basically spread your posts virally. So this is the Opt-in Up dashboard, and here you can choose one of their templates to create a competition or create rewards, create surveys, and this app will force Facebook users to enter the competition or to share your content if they want to redeem the rewards, if they want to win the competition. And it can also help you set up surveys and automatically segment your list based on that survey into different autoresponders or different lists based on the responses that people are giving you. So very powerful app. It is an upsell to Sync Leads, but in my opinion, a very essential part of it. So that's basically what Sync Leads is. It has all these different functionalities as I showed you, and I hope you've gotten a decent idea about how this app works. Now, what I've done is I've created an exclusive and in-depth premium bonus pack. I give you the exact tips, training, posts. So that's exactly what my bonus helps with. Beyond that, it also shows you how to scale your business. To get in touch, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for and welcome to my Sync Leads review. And welcome to my Sync Leads review.